Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Smash Bros. OST. First, let's dive into the game itself. Super Smash Bros. Offers a fantastic in-game sound test where you can listen to hundreds of tracks. You can access this feature directly from the main menu, usually under the Vault or Collection section. It's a treasure trove of musical masterpieces spanning decades of Nintendo history. You'll find everything from classic 8-bit tunes to grand orchestral arrangements, all at your fingertips. This is your primary hub for enjoying the game's incredible audio. Next, let's explore the in-game music settings to truly tailor your experience. Within the Options or Sound menu, you can often find a My Music section. Here, you can adjust the probability of certain songs playing on specific stages. For example, you might want a particular track to play with a 100% chance on Final Destination. This level of customization allows you to curate the perfect soundtrack for every single match, enhancing your gameplay with your preferred tunes. Beyond the game, there are many ways to enjoy the Super Smash Bros. OST. Official soundtrack releases are often available for purchase, offering high-quality audio. Additionally, many tracks can be found on popular music streaming services. You can search for official albums or fan-curated playlists that compile hundreds of songs. These platforms provide convenient access to the vast musical library, allowing you to listen anytime, anywhere, even when you are not playing the game itself. Finally, the Super Smash Bros. Music community is a vibrant place to explore. Many talented fans create incredible remixes, arrangements, and even original compositions inspired by the game's music. Websites and video platforms host countless hours of fan-made content, offering fresh perspectives on beloved tunes. You can find extended versions of battle themes or entirely new takes on classic melodies. Diving into this community expands your listening options significantly, providing endless hours of unique musical enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.